guys, so today we've got 3 new gaming chairs from Armaggeddon. This is the Shuttle II, this is the Nebuka III, and this is the Starship VI. Now, all these gaming chairs are made with premium PU leather and have headrests and a backrest strapped onto each of them. One of the reasons why these chairs are better than the average budget gaming chair is because Armaggeddon uses cold cure foam for its cushion. So the Starship VI and the Nebuka III has cold cure foam for its seat cushion, headrest and backrest, whereas the Shuttle II only does it with the seat cushion. What this means is that these seat cushions have higher density than regular foam, so it can support more weight and also keep the shape and structure of these chairs for a longer time. Another reason why I kind of like this chair is because of the adjustable everything. So you've got the basic height adjustment and you can swing around, which is something I do whenever I'm bored out of my mind. But you can also tilt it up to 160 degrees and move this armrest in multiple ways. So you can move it lower, higher, inwards, outwards, or even shift the whole thing to your left or to your right, which I think is a pretty useful feature because different people have different bodies and this will help you to get the chair to fit you in the best way possible. So I've been sitting on the Starship VI for a while now, and personally I think this is the one with the softest seat cushion, and it kind of encouraged me to sit properly. So back when I was using the normal office chair, I tend to always lean sideways, which is not good for your spine by the way. But with this chair's bucket sit and wing design, it gets uncomfortable if you go sideways, so it always makes me sit upright. Also, this chair supports up to 180 kg, same with the Nebuka III, and the Shuttle II supports up to 150 kg. But that's enough from me. Let's call on some of our chair experts who come in various sizes. Introduce yourself.
Hello, it is I, Victor. You know me lah. No need to introduce her.
Hi, I'm Shaq. I am KLG's designer and 3D animator.
Hi guys, my name is Endem Liao. I'm videographer from this video and from KLGadget as well.
What do you look for when it comes to gaming chair?
I usually look for comfort, ergonomics and style.
So I was looking for some chair that provide like good back supporting and good for spine and back. Yeah, that's all I need.
Oh, it needs to be comfortable. That's all I ask for it. It's for it to be comfortable. Yeah.
Okay, so you are currently sitting on the Nebuka III. How does it feel?
It's large enough for me, and I'm a pretty large guy. And I think it's also tall enough. And I've been messing around with it for a bit, and it comes with a lot of features as well, so I kind of like that, yeah.
Okay, so you're sitting on the Shuttle II. How does it feel?
I feel like this chair is very cool, and then yeah, and with the armrest is adjustable. It's quite new for me because I never sit on the gaming chair before, so yeah.
Okay, so you're currently sitting on the Shuttle II. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's comfy. It's very soft and I like the lumbar support. It's good.
Does it feel better than your current chair?
Right, so for those who don't know, I'm currently sitting on the TT Racing Duo V3, which is quite a popular budget gaming chair. And this is actually quite hard. The cushions, the seat is actually quite hard, but I guess that kind of makes sense because it's meant to, I think Yvonne mentioned it's supposed to help with your lumbar support, with your posture. This one's a bit hard, but again, I like the features, like the adjustable armrest and stuff.
Okay, so does it feel better than your current chair?
Yeah, I'm currently using the IDEA Rambergert, which doesn't have an adjustable armrest and it doesn't have lumbar support, so this is way better.
Yeah, it is feel way more better than my current chair because my current chair there's just normal IKEA chair. Compared with this got like adjustable armrest and the seat, the buckets, and it feel like hardly well. And they provide the back cushion, so I feel like it's very good for health and the head cushion as well. So yeah, very comfortable.
Okay, so after testing out all 3 chairs, what is your favorite and why?
I'll have to say this one because this is the most comfy and most softest, I'd say. And also the wings kind of hugs my body. And so yeah, I really choose this one over the other two.
Interestingly enough, this one is what do you call this? Shuttle II. This one hugs me slightly better on the butt section. Yeah, boy. I feel like this offers me slightly more room compared to the other two, which is surprising. This is the cheapest one, right? I actually think I prefer this over the other two, mainly because I feel more comfortable in this one. So bigger doesn't necessarily mean better. You really have to test it out and see which one suits you, right?
This one. So why? Because I'm looking for something good for my spine, and this is definitely doing his job, and yeah, it supports me very well. So from here, when I'm sitting here, it's a bit hard, but it's still very comfortable to sitting on it. Like I feel like I can spend a lot of hours to sitting on it, and yeah, it feels very good quality as well.
So there you have it, our chair experts have spoken. Of course, in the end, it's really up to you which kind of chair you prefer. So the Shuttle II is 699 ringgit, the Nebuka III is 899 ringgit, and the Starship VI is 999 ringgit. All these three chairs come in blue, red, yellow and grey. But here's my advice, if you like harder cushions, go for the Nebuka III, and if you like softer cushions, you can either go for the Starship VI or the Shuttle II. So if you're interested in getting one of these chairs, you can actually get them from the official Armaggeddon store on Shopee. I'll link them in the description box down below. And that's it. That's all for our video today. If you think this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.